Relative pronoun. 1. The street leads to the school is very dirty. 1. That 2. Will. 3. Who will 4. What? Two. The person is sitting next to me is a fool. 1. That 2. Will. 3. Who 4. What? Three. The doctor she visited is very famous. 1. That 2. Whom. 3. Who 4. What? Four. The pen I lost was very fine. 1. That 2. Whom. 3. Who 4. What? Five. The teacher, name I can never remember, punished me yesterday. 1. That 2. Whose. 3. Who 4. What? Six. His father has been to America, has just returned. 1. That 2. Whose. 3. Who 4. What? Seven. This is the girl. Purse has been stolen. 1. That 2. Whose. 3. Who 4. What? Eight. The man is sitting at the desk is my teacher. 1. That 2. Whose. 3. Who 4. What? Nine. Air, we breath, is made of oxygen and nitrogen. 1. That 2. Whose. 3. Who 4. What? Ten. Is this the man? Name is so honored. 1. That 2. Whose. 3. Who 4. What?